Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix iPhone keyboard not working problem. So the very first fix is to long press a globe icon. Locate the globe icon at the bottom of the keyboard. Long press on it. Now ensure your correct keyboard is selected, for example English, US or anything. And the second fix is check keyboard setting. If the issue persists, long press on globe icon again. Tap on keyboard settings. Now verify that your preferred keyboard is listed. If not, try adding it. Tap on keyboard. If your preferred keyboard is not in the list, tap on add new keyboard. For example, I prefer English US, so simply search it and add it. And also, if your preferred keyboard is listed, ensure it is at the top. Tap edit, long press, hold it, and just simply move it to the top. The fourth fix is if the issue continue. If the issue persists, you can also check that your screen is working or not, your screen touch is working or not at the keyboard. So simply turn off this lock icon, turn off auto rotate. Now rotate your screen and try typing. If it is typing when you are rotating the screen and it is not typing when you are simply using it, it means that you have a problem on your screen. If the issue still persists, you can try installing a third-party keyboard. For example, go to App Store and type Gboard. And download it. After installing Gboard, enable full access. Open Gboard app. From here, tap on skip. Now you'll get an option enabling full access. Tap on it. Tap on get started. From here, tap on keyboards and turn both the option on. Tap Gboard, turn on Gboard and turn on allow full access. Now go back to your WhatsApp or anything. Tap on this globe icon again. Now you'll get Gboard option. Choose it. That's it. That's how you will fix a keyboard not working issue. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.